If you are trying to purchase the certificate from anywhere, from consultancies or institute, you need to watch this video till end. Okay, please listen carefully, watch this video till end and comment your thought in this video, whatever you have in genuine way, so that your comment, your wonderful information will help to address others problem. Okay, thank you so much for understanding. In this video, I'm going to give clear information about the fake certificate. If you submit the fake certificate, they can track easily. There are predefined platforms are available to track the things, to track your certificate. If you submitted genuine certificate and fake certificate, whatever it may be, they can track it. They can identify whether the submitted documents are perfect or genuine. They can track it easily. Okay. Based on the comments, many people are asking the same questions. If I submit the fake certificate, what will happen in the IT industry? How this will react? What will be my future? If they terminated, can I join in the new companies? Can I abscond from the organizations? All these thoughts will not help you to create healthy career record. Okay. This information going to be to you only. If you are searching for fake certificate, try to watch this video, or if your friends searching for fake certificate, share this video to your friends, and always support this channel and subscribe and give thumbs up button. Yes, if you submit the fake certificate, they can easily track it, they can easily identify, and they will conduct one investigations call with you. HR and manager person will be there, and you need to sit in front of HR and your manager. You need to give the information why there is a problem in your documents. Even though if you submitted relieving letter, experience letter, payslip, even fake bank statement, they will ask you to clarify everything. I clearly mentioned how they will verify the bank statement and how they will track your previous history. The PF account will be there. You need to open the net banking. Okay. It is not very easy, right? Each and every organization will assign one person. That person will get paid. Okay. He will receive the salary, which means he will work, which means he will do the verifications. Without doing the verifications, he will not complete your background verification summary report. Okay, the background verification summary report will give you the essential part of your background verification process, which is the one page form or one page information that will tell your HR whether background verification is green or red, whether it is success or failed. Okay, if it is success, no problem. You sit back, concentrate on your work. If it is went negative directions, you need to answer multiple questions. You need to justify it. Okay. Most of the organizations, if they identify something wrong, if you submit the fake certificate, edited bank statement, edited payslip, once they identified, they will try to connect some discussion. They will schedule some discussions, which means in their point itself you can identify they identified everything, they completely tracked everything. Now they want to get some additional evidence from your side. So you submitted fake certificate, they want that clear evidence from your side. That is why they will conduct some investigation program. They will arrange some call, they will arrange simple interview. Once joined in the interview, once joined in the organization, they will try to conduct interview and interact with you and try to get the clear picture why there is a deviation or insufficient documents you submitted. Okay. The another problem is, if you receive the fake certificate from consultancies, for example, you will receive fake certificate by today, and so today they will respond for your background verifications. Even though if they respond, the company will track it easily. That is different direction. Okay, so please understand carefully, listen carefully. It will be very difficult to understand this point. Okay, listen carefully. If you purchase the certificate from your consultancies, now they will respond, but in future, after joining the new company with your fake certificate, now they will respond for your background verification, they will respond for your mail, even your current organizations ask any verification information, they will respond your consultancies. But after 2 years, when you switch your job to different company, okay, assume that you are joined in A company with your fake certificate, and after 2 years you are joining in B company. At the time you submit the same documents. During that period, when your B company do the background verifications, your consultancy people will play some game. Okay, simply they are now saying that someone misused my documents. I received background verification related informations. I didn't respond properly. Okay. Obviously, once you joined in B company, that whatever you purchased from the consultancy, they will not respond. Okay. Then the B company HR will reach to you. There are some inconsistencies. There are some efficiency, deficiency, insufficient information. Your HR people are not responding properly. They will come to you. Obviously you interact with your consultancies, why you are not responding to your background verifications informations. At the time the consultancy people will play some game. They are now saying that someone misused my documents. Even same person only you call, same person only you speak, but however they will say that that is different person. They misused my documents, they misused my company names, and they escaped, they moved out from where. But now I cannot respond for your background verifications, which means their aim is they will try to get some amount from your side again. After 2 years again you need to pay the to respond the background verifications. Even though if they respond, MNC's people are too smart, they will track it easily, they will identify. Okay, so this is what happening. Once you receive the certificate, you assume that we purchased this certificate, we can use this certificate lifelong. Okay, always that consultancy people will change their number, will change their company name, even sometimes they will close their business and they will move to different business, or they will join in different company, or completely they will revisit the organization, revisit the employee, which means if you continue with your purchased certificate from the consultancies, that will not help in future. Okay, first of all, purchasing certificate is not good thing, but I don't know, and I uploaded more than 10 videos how to achieve the how to approach your MNCs, and I clearly mentioned my email ID to interact with me. But don't interact with me after joined with fake certificate. I don't have any solution. They will terminate you 100%. For future companies, I can suggest you, I can help you in genuine way. So that is what I'm helping to you people. But when you try to purchase the fake certificate, please listen carefully. Try to get the relevant documents. There are a lot of videos I uploaded. When MNCs try to do the verifications, what are all parameters they will check in the companies? Most of them they will try to do the verification just sitting in front of system, which means they are tracking the things in website digitally. Okay, if anyone brainwash you, ask multiple questions whether the company is registered or not. Okay, when it was registered, if it is registered today, but they will give the certificate from last year onwards, which means there is a conflict will happen between your durations, work duration, start date and end date, and company registered date. Okay, apart from that there are too many parameters out there. Okay, whether the company is genuine or not, whether they paying the amount, how this will reflect in your bank statement, whether they created PF account and all and not. Okay, some of the cases they will create the PF today, they cannot create any past start date in your PF account. You cannot delete the entry once they created. Most of the consultancies they are creating the PF today and giving the certificate from last 2 years. It is completely logically broken idea. Okay, HR people easily track it. They are spending lot of time to verify your documents. There are separate systems, separate teams are available. Even small companies, even small startup companies to big MNCs will verify your documents, because last 2 years there are too many fake certificate, fake consultancies, and fake candidates are coming and joining the organizations. Once you joined, the client specific interview also will be there. The client specific interview completed, client specific background verifications again it will happen. If you join in the A company, company standard verifications, that is the first verification. Once you joined, client specific background verification will happen again, which means again and again multiple times these verifications will happen. You are the responsible person. In case of any insufficient information in your background verification related informations, you need to address it. You need to give the information clearly. Okay. Many friends are got terminated from the organization. If you got terminated, you cannot join in the new company. But however, some of the tricks I identified, I'm educating people. You can approach to me. My mail id is available in this video description. But if you joined in this current company with fake certificate, in the current company definitely they will terminate you. For future company, I can suggest you my UPI id also available in this video description. Once done your consulting fee, we can discuss further. I will try to clear all your problems, especially overlapping, moonlight, dual employment, terminated cases. I'm helping. Absconding cases, please don't approach. For absconding cases, no solution. You have to face the problem. And if these informations are really useful, please share this video to your friends. Someone will get the clear picture about the fake certificate, moonlighting concept, overlapping, dual employment, absconding, even termination also. They will get the clear picture, and they will try to stop the problem before doing any wrong thing, so that their career record will be in narrow, will be in perfect. Okay. Don't create anything wrong in your career record. Always think, rise question yourself, okay, and then react. Okay. Hope this information really useful. If you like this channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Take care. All the best.